look at this place. This is unbelievable. We're at White Sands National Park, and as you can see, it is so scenic. Melanie, how's the sand white?
I am, number one, I'm so blown away. This is probably my favorite national park so far. You feel like you're in the middle of the desert, but we're really in the middle of New Mexico. Now, the sand itself is made out of gypsum, which makes it a totally different texture than normal sand. You can climb up the dunes super easily. It doesn't really get in your shoes much, and it packs down really hard. I can't tell you how expansive the view is here. It's probably really hard to tell from the camera, but we feel like we're in the middle of the Sahara. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, we were supposed to be in Dubai this month, but had to cancel, and we were